Today's video. So as I told you yesterday that I was expecting this kind of move was that we actually dipped down to go up, okay, and because we were bullish, okay, the immediate order flow was bullish daily, okay, even though on daily actually we are bearish, the whole order flow is still bearish, but right now the order flow is bullish, the immediate order flow, okay. This you can call a budget rally, but okay, I don't know, but yes, the charts were telling you that it was supposed to go up, okay. Coming to where did I take the trade now? Today's day was a little very stressful day for me because this thing 47 minute comes somewhere here. Where does it come to? 150 154 ka double is what? Around 300, okay. 300 is here, okay. You can consider this, okay. On 3 minutes you actually get a fair value gap here. This was my entry. Never hit my stop loss just because this thing has changed. What is that? Margin requirement has changed. I just tried to buy one option, but the problem was even though I did buy this option, okay, and the market did go in my direction, okay. What is that? Around 200 points for a risk of 115, which is around close to 2:1, okay. But the problem was this option did not even move, okay, and that got me thinking that basically that this thing VIX was crashing, okay, and that was very stressful. Matlab, even if I do consider this, okay, here I entered, okay, and obviously you can see here this does sweep this thing low, but considering the futures doesn't sweep the low, I did not take the trade. And always when I buy an option, right, an option always degrades more than the future for some reason when it is going against it, okay. So this was the 120 rupees stop loss, and which was coming to somewhere here, okay. So 120 was somewhere here, okay, and obviously I keep somewhere here, okay. So I did not hit my stop loss, but the up move was not enough. I mean, this actually moved so much, but this counterpart did not even move, okay. So by the time when it actually hit this level, okay, when it hit 75 level, okay, this is where I usually keep my stop loss back. I get my stop loss back to 25% or break even, okay. But to consider even break even here, I don't know how to consider also, because it is still there here only, okay, and that's why I could not this thing, and I just decided to just exit, okay, because it was not worth it that time being. And if it did come back right here, if it was a future trade, I would have got this thing good profit, matlab at least break even, okay. But here I would have suffered a whole stop loss here actually, and that was not good for my RR. So I decided to exit. Again, I'm expecting this to continue here and take out these highs, okay. This is this thing continuous chart, this is this thing futures chart, okay. I'm expecting this to take out these highs and go up, okay. Even Nifty, what happened in Nifty was this thing, what I told you for the other thing, that we actually open, we go above this 47, this thing, it is 84 rupees, right. We go up, we sustain above this, and we just keep going up, going up, okay. This I don't like because this is a very slow move, okay. Bank Nifty was much better, okay. That's why I choose Bank Nifty, and I think everyone loves Bank Nifty only, correct. I'm expecting this to be taken out, but again, this thing VIX was not in my direction. I should have actually saw the VIX. I actually did not see the VIX because I mean, I was not seeing VIX. The reason actually I was trading only futures was because of this only, okay. And as you can see, VIX was bearish only, as you can see, and this fair value gap you get here, okay, a bullish fair value gap. A bullish fair value gap in a bearish trend is supposed to be sold into, and that's why it falls down. As you can see, the counter trend of his option, that is I bought 49,000 call, right. The put actually gave a amazing profit, okay, 71 to this thing, proper this thing 2:1. It was very nice, but the same could not be set for a call. Yeah, and that's it. So next time I probably be more careful regarding if to buy a option or to buy a futures or to sell calls, okay. Now I can see a way to get around this, like when to avoid this thing, buying calls or selling options, okay. Is look at the 23-minute time frame. As you can see here we are still bullish, okay. So you can expect, so as long as this thing VIX doesn't crash, okay, it stays So most option players think that they need VIX to go up, but I think as long as this thing option stays in a range, okay, it's no problem, because you'll always get a delta value. But here, as you can see, the VIX is going down, that's why your delta is against it, okay, and that's why you'll face problem. Here also, as you can see, here we're going down, 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 down. This is where you get a shift, okay, where you get a shift, okay, and I think this is where you can expect to, you can buy this thing, what is that, options, and you won't be this thing disappointed, and this is where you get a shift, okay. So I'll probably look at this week chart from now on if I want to trade options, and that's it. Again, here as you can see, here this thing option prices are very stable. There's not much movement from 14 to this thing, it's not much, okay. If I'm correct, 1% move, oh, it's a lot, okay. So again, I think you should look at weeks always, okay. But I think when this thing option prices are in the lower zone, you do not need to worry, because I mean, if it is already 13, how much can it go down more, okay. I don't think so it can ever go down on 10 and all. It is too low, okay. I mean, it can go, but yeah, that will be very momentarily, okay. As you can see, this is 16. What I'm expecting tomorrow is, tomorrow is Saturday, right? Tomorrow is this thing, budget day. So the trend is bearish, okay. Trend is definitely bearish, okay. So there are two possibilities: either that tomorrow whatever you cap up, right, and beyond after. So usually the move for budget usually comes beyond 12:20 only, okay. If you go to all these charts, right, from 2017 it has been from 1st February only, okay. Before that it was 29 February, I think, first 2016, I think, okay. So it was the move usually come beyond 12:20 only. Why? Because budget starts at 11 o'clock. That's obvious, right? So the moves come after this thing. I don't prefer. I don't think so. Anyone should trade the budget itself, and they should only trade after this thing budget is done. Okay, before trading that is just gambling, man. And also the VIX will be very high. The moment the budget will be done, the VIX will crash. Okay, and so your options might this thing degrade, and also the stop loss will be very huge, very very huge. Okay, so what I'm expecting is either what we can do is, right, we can go up, okay, and since the trend is very straight, we can actually continue down, okay, we can keep going down, okay. That is one possibility, okay. The second possibility is on budget day, right, we have a whiplash move, okay. We just do this, okay, someone stay here, and then we actually continue, we shift up, okay. The daily time frame, the daily this thing order flow actually changes to bullish, okay. We actually sustain above this highs, okay, and then we start going up, and that will be a this thing immediate this thing short term this thing bullish trend, okay, and we'll just go up, okay. Again, the weekly is still bearish. I'm not seeing that I'm not seeing it change soon, okay. And I think I even said in previous video that I am actually expecting it to go somewhere here, okay. If it wants to do that, okay, go here and then fall down, okay. I am expecting previous year low to at least be taken out, okay, before we actually do something. And also, if you go to see on the futures chart, I think this is 75%. This is 75%. So I'm expecting a little deeper retracement. Always you can expect something deeper, and this thing is not actually not 75% on this thing. What is that? The spot chart, okay, but futures chart, yeah, okay. What is interesting is Nifty, right, even though people are saying that's given so many returns, like so much returns, if you actually consider dollar for it, it has not actually moved much, not moved much from 2008 till this thing 2020, okay. Not give any returns. I mean, it is almost zero returns, okay. It is only after 2020 we actually given some return, that too just 75%. Considering other this thing market, I think it is much more, okay. Yeah, so I don't know, more people who are dancing that Nifty goes so much, I think you should be considering inflation also. It's a lot, okay. Considering dollar is also going, I mean, there is inflation plus this thing dollar depreciation, not depreciation but rupee depreciation, so you should think that about also. Yeah, and I don't think so anyone should buy stocks before the budget. If the stock market is supposed to go up, right, it will give you enough opportunity. What I'm expecting is if it is supposed to go up, okay, what it'll do is this, okay, pink, go up here, okay, give a little down this thing downfall, and everyone will just get scared, and then it will go up, okay, and then slowly, and it will complete this market maker model, okay. This can happen, but again, I'm expecting this low to be formed around in March, okay, March, April, and then yes, June, July, and then we just continue, okay, if supposed to happen like that. But if things go haywire, then yes, I can expect it to go down till previous year low, which is more reasonable. I feel I think I will like that, because that will mean that you'll get your things at cheaper price and you'll get better returns. Most people are already in this rally and they are suffering this, but I think before you should buy. And obviously, and this gold has been going up. I love gold, bro. I love gold. This was this thing which I invested. I love gold. Okay, so this was the shift here. This was a shift here. Uh, this was the shift here. Fair value gap. Order flow is changed, as you can see. Bullish fair value gap. Bullish fair value gap. Bullish fair value gap. One-sided move. Amazing move. And yeah, gold is good. Crude oil. What is crude oil doing? I was expecting crude oil to go up, and I think it should go up. Okay, I still feel there's something left. The last move probably. If it's supposed to go up from here, it will start going up. Okay, Chinese market. Okay, Chinese market also. I think I have faith in Chinese market for some reason. Okay, I feel this is a turnaround point for Chinese market. Okay, again, it's not a buy advice, but yeah. I'm not saying this because of the DeepSeek thing, but yes, I feel according to the charts, as you can see, fair value gap, weekly is again bearish, bullish, and other this thing. Germany is for some reason very strong. Okay, no signs of this thing only. This is too much, bro. What is this, man? From 2020, from it's a lot. Okay. And other than that, Nifty, I don't know, man. Let's see what it will do. Okay, it has already hit this thing. Amazing, good trade. Has Bank Nifty hit the level? No. From here, probably it will go up, and let's look at the option. Okay, as you can see here, this is what I was talking about. Even to keep at break even, you'll have to suffer from this, suffer this shit. Okay, as you can see, it has just hit this thing, break even point, and see this. Okay, you have to suffer the whole this thing, drawdown here, as compared to this, which is much better. Okay, and okay, I'll see you tomorrow.